Hello, good morning, children. How was your sleep 2 test yesterday? Did you write all the fill in the blanks, question answer, match the following? Hmm? Are you able to write the test? Are you writing all the questions explained by me? If you are not getting the answer, read the textbook, which is the third lesson we are learning now. Now we are learning about food health. So, occupation and its importance. Sleep test 2 is over and activity. I had told you to collect the picture of elephant, carpenter, sweet seller shop, then again blacksmith, potter. Why? Because the elephant went to all these artisans and write the short story about it and maintain it in the file. Hope so all are able to understand what I am telling. Now two tests. How many tests? Sleep tests are over. Two sleep tests are over. One is sleep test number 1 is water pollution conservation, and sleep test 2 is occupation, its importance. Now we are going for the third lesson, that is food health. Part 1 is over. What did we learn about part 1? We have learned the conversation between Deepa and Carrot. What did we learn? The conversation between Deepa and Carrot. Whose birthday it was? It was Deepa's birthday. And who prepared carrot halwa? It is Deepa's mother who prepared carrot halwa. All like carrot halwa, isn't it? Everybody likes carrot halwa, isn't it? So, children, how many don't like the sweet? All like the sweet, isn't it? And you have seen the Deepa's dreaming about the carrot. So, what all carrot has explained to Deepa? It has explained about energy giving food, the food items which help us to grow, and the food items which protect the body, and what is nutrient, which are the major nutrients. All this we have learnt in the part 1. Okay, 10 questions are given. Did you get the answers? So, which is the major nutrients? The major nutrients is carbohydrates. Spell the word carbohydrates. 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 Once again, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. What is the function of carbohydrates? The function of carbohydrates is it gives energy to the body. To sit and write, you need energy. To walk from one place to the another place, you need energy. So, from where do you get energy? You eat the nutrients like carbohydrates. So, you are going to see in the part 2 in which food items these nutrients are found. So, carrot, now know it from my friends. That is, take out your EVS textbook, page number 65. The carrot is talking about his friends. The first friend is, see page number 65. The first friend is, I am Ragi. Who is he? I am Ragi. This is the picture of Ragi. I am Ragi. I have carbohydrates as the main nutrient. So what is the Ragi telling? I have carbohydrates as the main nutrient and I give energy to the body. So the first food item of carbohydrates is in Ragi. Spell the word Ragi. R-A-G-I, Ragi. Now again carrot is showing the picture of different friends who is having a lot of carbohydrates. It is given, the pictures are given on page number 65 and you have to identify and name them. I am showing you the slide with the help of the pencil. Afterwards, seeing to the slide, copy down. First you see, the first picture is up is Ragi. The next one is corn. C-O-R-N, corn. What nutrient is present in the corn? Carbohydrates. Spell the word corn. C-O-R-N, corn. Once again, C-O-R-N, corn. The second picture you see, what do you see the second picture? Sweet potato. What is this? This is sweet potato. Do you have this picture in your page? That is 65. Spell the word sweet potato. S-W-E-E-T. P-O-T-A-T-O. Sweet potato. What does the next picture tells? Rice. What is this picture? Rice. R-I-C-E, rice. So, seeing this slide, you have to write it down in the textbook on page 65. The next figure you see, what is this? Wheat. W-H-E-A-T, wheat. Wheat every day your mother prepares chapati, puris. With what? With the help of the wheat flour. With what? With the help of the wheat flour. Next comes, what is this? What is this picture? Jawar. What is this? Jawar. Spell the word Jawar. J-O-W-A-R. Jawar. So what is the, in other words, what do you call for Jawar? Roti. Jawari roti. Do you eat? Okay. Then next, what is the picture? This picture tells about potato. All eat potato. Very many children are fond of potato. You eat potato curry and potato chips. So many you eat, chips you eat, bingo chips. It is made out of potato. Okay. So spell the word potato. P-O-T-A-T-O, potato. So next picture is, what does it shows? This is the picture of sugar cane. Did you eat sugar cane? Did you drink sugar cane juice? Every year you drink sugar cane juice where? In Jatra. You have Sharana Basveshwara Jatra. Every year you go there for the Jatra. Many of you drink sugar cane juice. So this is the plant of sugar cane. Spell the word sugar cane. S-U-G-A-R-C-A-N-E. Sugar cane. Once again, Sugarcane, sugar cane. The next comes, what is this picture? Honey. Many are fond of honey, isn't it? So where does honey come from? Bees. The bees, where do they take the nectar from the flowers, and where do they keep all that? You have seen beehive. So from the beehive the honey is made. Okay, spell the word honey. Honey, honey. So what do you see? Why these pictures? What does the picture tells about it? They have carbohydrates as the main nutrient. What do they have? Carbohydrates, which gives energy to the body. So which are the pictures of who? Carrot's friend. Ragi. Again next, corn, sweet potato. Next, rice, wheat, jawar, potato, sugarcane, honey. These are having carbohydrates as the main nutrient, and they give energy to the body. Now if you don't take carbohydrates correctly, then what happens? One has to suffer from weakness. The body becomes weak due to the shortage of carbohydrates. That means if you don't take carbohydrates in the correct proportion, then what happens? One person has to suffer from weakness in the body. Okay, spell the word weakness. Weakness. Once again, weakness. Weakness. Spell the word suffer. 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 Okay, due to the shortage of carbohydrates. Shortage means if the content of carbohydrate is less in our body, then we suffer from the weakness. This is all about carbohydrates. So see the picture in 65 page. What is Deepa telling here? Look here, I am cow beans. I have a lot of protein. I help in the growth of your body. Previous class we have learnt the major nutrient, which is the next, first one is carbohydrates, and the next major nutrient is protein. Now this page number 66 tells us which are the food items the protein is present. Okay. So, proteins, what is the function of proteins? It helps in the growth of our body, your body. Spell the word protein. Protein, protein. Growth, growth, growth. Now let us see which are the food items where protein is present. You can see on page 66. Can you see? Page 66. The first figure. You have to identify and you have to write their names. Now I am explaining you. After that, again see the slide and write correct names to the given picture. The first picture is what? Channa dal. Channadal. Channa dal. What is present in this? Protein. These pictures tells us the protein are the main nutrient. Which are the main nutrients in soya bean, chana dal, and what else? Green gram, Bengal gram, groundnut. All these you see that protein plays a major role. Okay, first one is chana dal. Second one is soya bean. What is this? Soya bean. Spell the word soya bean. Soyabean. The next, green gram. Your mother prepares no? Chana dal, soya bean, green gram. GREENGRAM. Green gram. The next picture, what is this? This is the black gram. Spell the word black gram. BLACKGRAM. Black gram. The next, the last picture about the groundnut. Many are fond of groundnut. Spell the word groundnut. 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 Once again, GROUNDNUT. Groundnut. What is this? Groundnut. Okay. So, in which are the food items the protein is present a lot? Which are the food items? Chana dal. Next, soya bean, green gram, black gram, groundnut. All these are rich in protein. Apart from the grains, proteins are present in some other food items also. Which are the some other food items? Eggs. Okay, all are fond of eggs. Spell the word egg. EGG, egg. This picture shows you about the egg. Next, what is this? This is fish. FISH, fish. The next is milk. MILK, milk. And the next picture is meat. Spell the word meat. MEAT, meat. So, you see the proteins, apart from the grains, proteins are present in some other food items like eggs, then fish, then milk and meat. So, these are the other items. So, we have to eat a lot of protein because it helps in growth of our body. Now see page number 66. Carrot is telling Deepa, look here, the butter. Butter, you know, many children are fond of butter. The butter is having a high fat content. What content? High fat content. So, in which are the other things you see the high fat content? You see in what else? You see coconut oil. Just now I showed you groundnut, isn't it? What did I show you? Groundnut. What is this? Butter. Butter is having high content of fat. Spell the word butter. BUTTER, butter. Spell once again. BUTTER, butter. Again, next word, coconut oil. COCONUT, coconut. oil, coconut oil. Can you see? This is coconut oil. Next comes sesame oil. What is this? Sesame. Spell the word sesame. 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 OIL, oil. Sesame oil. So Deepa, Carrot is explaining to Deepa about the food items that contains high fat content. Which are those? Butter, coconut oil, sesame oil, groundnut oil, ghee. All these are having high fat content. Now, what is the use of the fat? Even Deepa is asking to the carrot, what is the use of fat? Even if you use a little fat, it is enough. Fat gives more energy than carbohydrates. What is the carrot telling? Even if we use a little fat, it is enough. Why? Because fat gives more energy than carbohydrates. Now, what does the carrot asking to Deepa? Do you eat different vegetables, fruits and salt? Do you eat different vegetables, fruit and salt? Deepa says, yes, I do. But I don't like greens. Some may not like greeny leafy vegetables. Some are make fuss of eating vegetables, isn't it? Even fruits. But you have to eat all type of vegetables. Okay, vegetables, green leafy vegetable and fruits. Why you have to eat vegetables, green leafy vegetables and fruits? Because they are rich in mineral, salt and vitamins. Why you have to eat vegetables, green leafy vegetables and fruits? Because they are rich in mineral, salt and vitamins. Why? Because they protect us from diseases and they keep us good health. Okay. Now Deepa says, yes, I know that there are 4 important vitamins. How many important vitamins are there? 4 important vitamins. Take out page 67. So, which are those 4 important vitamins here? Did you hear the name? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin D. What is the first picture tells about vitamin A? It is one of the important. They are called vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin D. Look at the table given on page number 67. Vitamin A. So, can you see the food items present in vitamin A? What are present? Green and yellow vegetables, fruits, leafy vegetables, carrot, butter, ghee, milk and egg. So what all are present in vitamin A? What all are present food items? Green and yellow vegetables. Green and yellow vegetables. Fruits. Leafy vegetables. Just now I showed you. Carrot. Okay. All are fond of carrot. Butter. Ghee. Milk and egg. Why you have to eat vitamin A? These food items. What is the use of vitamin A? The use of vitamin A is it preserves our good eyesight, preserves our skin and teeth. So the use of vitamin A is preserves good eyesight, skin and teeth. So this is the importance of vitamin A. Spell vitamin Vitamin. 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 Vitamin A. What are the food items? Green and yellow vegetables. Spell the word vegetables. Vegetables. Leaf vegetables. Leafy. Leafy. Spell the word carrot. Carrot. Butter. 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 Ghee. Ghee. Why you have to take this vitamin A? To preserve good eyesight, good skin and good teeth. Okay. Spell the word preserve. Preserve. Yes, preserves. Eyesight. 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 Many are using the specs in your 4th standard, 3rd standard, 5th standard. Why? Because if you don't take correct food items present in vitamins and nutrients, then there will be problem in your eyesight. So only you have early age the specs. So to avoid that, better take good vitamins, good nutrients to keep your eyesight good, skin good and also your teeth and gums good. Shall we go for the vitamin B? Now let us see about vitamin B. In which food items vitamin B is present? This is vitamin B. You can see in this picture what are the food items present. Wheat. You eat chapati every day or puris made out of wheat. So many food items are prepared. Ragi. They make ragi roti or they make liquid and they drink. Okay. Then black gram. I have showed you the black gram. Greens. Then germinated seeds. Germinated seeds. You might have seen your mother soaking the grains in the water for a day, and after that the water is removed and she takes a cotton cloth. She put all the grains in it and she ties tightly. And early in the morning you can see the white layer coming out of the gram. That is from the grains. Those are called germinated grains. What are they called? Germinated grains. Now what is the use of vitamin B? So vitamin B, the function of vitamin B is it protects skin, heart and digestive system. Digestive system, you know, the food which we eat get digested in the stomach. Okay, this is the function of vitamin B. So, in which food items the vitamin B is present? Wheat, ragi, black gram, greens, germinated grains. Spell the word germinated grains. Germinated. Grains. Germinated grains. Okay. So what is the use or function of vitamin B? It protects our skin, heart and digestive system. Spell the word skin. 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 Heart. 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 Digestive system. Digestive. Digestive. system, system, system. So read, it is given on page number 67. Now next we are going to vitamin C. So which are the food items present in vitamin C? This is vitamin C. So let us see: orange, lemon, tomato, raw vegetables, gooseberry, apple, pineapple, again germinated grains. All are fond of orange, lemon, tomato. Raw vegetables means without cooking and eating, like a salad. All raw, like raw onion, tomato, again what a radish or cucumber, etc. Now gooseberries. What is gooseberry? Goosberry. Gooseberry, they are small ones like amla. Yesterday I showed you previously about amla. They are big in size, but these gooseberries are small in size. Apple, many are fond of eating apple and pineapple, and just now I told you about the germinated grains. So which are the food items where vitamin C is present? Orange, lemon, tomato, raw vegetables, gooseberry, apple, pineapple, and germinated grains. Now what is the function or use of vitamin C? Vitamin C protects teeth and gums. What is the use of vitamin C? It protects teeth and gums. Okay. The last vitamin is vitamin D. So this is vitamin D. In the picture itself tells us in which food items vitamin D is present, like sun rays, fish. Okay, the main is sun rays, fish, and cod liver oil. What is this called? Cod, C-O-D, cod, L-I-V-E-R, liver oil. See here. Food items of vitamin D are cod liver oil. Spell C-O-D, cod, L-I-V-E-R, liver, O-I-L, oil. Cod liver oil. So when sun rays fall on the skin, vitamin D is produced. Which vitamin D is produced? Which vitamin is produced? When the sun rays fall on the body or on the skin, which is a vitamin produced? It is vitamin D. So what is the function of vitamin D? It protects bones and teeth. What is the function or what is the use of vitamin D? It protects bones and teeth. Okay. Vitamin A, it preserves good eyesight, skin and teeth. Vitamin B protects skin, heart and digestive system. And vitamin C protects teeth and gums. And vitamin D protects bones and teeth. Now some are rich in fiber. Which are rich in fiber? Beans. Food items that are rich in fiber are beans, radish, leafy vegetables, fruits and cereals. So these are beans. What are these? B-E-A-N-S, beans. Okay, spell once again. What are these? B-E-A-N-S, beans. Next, what is this? Radishes. There are more than one, so we call it as radishes. Spell the word radishes. R-A-D-I-S-H E-S. Then next is greeny leafy vegetable. And the next fruits. Okay. So many things you have learnt. What did you learn in part 2? Part 2, you have learned the conversation between the carrot and the Deepa. Carrot has introduced so many friends, and to identify which are carbohydrates and which are proteins and which are the food items content high fat content, and why we have to eat different vegetables, fruits and salt. Why do we eat carbohydrates? It is the main nutrients and it gives us energy to the body. And why we have to take protein? It helps in the growth of our body. And the major is every day you have to drink milk, eat egg, fish and eat all the different types of grains in which proteins are present. And which are the high fat content? Butter, groundnut oil, coconut oil, sesame oil, ghee. All these are having high fat content. So what is the use of fat? If you eat little fat, it is enough. Why? Fat gives more energy than carbohydrates. And the carrot has given a clear picture about eating different vegetables, fruits and salt. Why we should eat? Because they are rich in mineral, salt and vitamin. So nutrient we have learnt. Major nutrient, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, or in other words it is called lipids. Again what else? Mineral, salt and vitamin. In vitamin, how many important vitamins are there? There are 4 important vitamins, that is vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C and vitamin D. I have showed you the food items and what is the use of it. Okay. And today's part 2, again you will be getting 10 questions. So reading the explanation, seeing the textbook, please find out the answer. Shall I discuss you part 1 answers? It was whose birthday? It was Deepa's birthday. Who prepared carrot halwa? See whether your answers are correct. Who prepared carrot halwa? Carrot halwa is prepared by Deepa's mother. Name any 4 items of energy giving food. Wheat, rice, milk, egg, potato. So many things I had given. Groundnut, maize, butter. You can write any 4. So what are nutrients? Nutrients are the essential substance required for proper growth and to keep our body healthy and to function our body properly. Okay. Now what is the function of carbohydrates? Carbohydrates is the energy giving food, isn't it? So name any 4 items which help us to grow. Which are those? Butter, gram, peas, tur dal, milk, egg, moong dal, etc. Any 4 you can write. Now what did Deepa dream about? Deepa dreamt about carrot. So what did the carrot asked Deepa to make a list of all the food items that her mother prepared or eaten by her. But I asked you Make a list of all the food items that your mother prepares for you. So these are the answers for part 1. So next part 3. Next class will be of part 3 of food health. So please read again and again. The pictures are given. You have to write, identify and write on page 65 and 66. Now part 1 10 questions you got. Part 2 you got 10 questions. Now totally 20 you have. Keep learning. Soon after completing this lesson, again sleep test 3 I'll be going to conduct. That is coming Monday. So another part we are going to learn food health part 3 next session. Okay children, is this clear for you? So maintain the file. 2 tests are over. Keep that it in a file, and 2 activities are over. That also file and keep. Don't send any PDF. You have to, your parents have to check, they have to supervise, and please maintain the record and the file. Is that clear children? Okay, keep reading. Don't waste the time. Stay home, stay fit, be healthy, be happy. Thank you.